Hi, I'm Pip from queenpipcards.com and the Card Making Know-How Academy. If you want to take your cards up a notch without making things too complicated, then I'm a big fan of using fun folds. Okay, they add an interactive element to your cards, and in today's Crafty Corners, I'm going to talk you through how easy they can be. They're perfect when you want to impress without the stress. Here are 3 beginner-friendly folds to try. First of all is a Z fold card. So score your card in half and then score the front piece in half again and fold it back on itself to create a simple zigzag effect. This works best with a landscape design using half a sheet of cardstock that you've cut long ways. Okay, so it's a long thin piece of card, score in half again, and then just sort of zigzag concertina them up so that it creates a zigzag effect. So that's brilliant, really easy to make, and it looks great. The second one is a gatefold card, and this one you're folding each side inwards so that they meet in the middle like a gate. So you're going to take the normal size piece of card for you to make a normal size card that you're making, and then rather than scoring it in the middle, you're going to score each edge in half the width you normally score the center. So let me break that down. So for example, in an A6 card in Europe, and using A4 as your main base, you normally score the center at 10.5 centimeters. Okay, so instead of scoring 10.5 centimeters in the middle, you're going to score each edge at 5.25, so that when they fold in, they will make 10.5 centimeters, leaving 10.5 at the back, and will create a perfect card front for you. With an A2 card in the States, you're going to normally score at 4.25. So instead, 4.25 inches, that is. So instead of scoring at 4.25 in the middle, you're going to score each edge at 2 1/8. So 2 1/8 plus 2 1/8 is 4.25, and that gives you that central gatefold flap with a standard piece on the back. Okay, so that's that. And then an easel card. These are great because they're like, you score and fold it so that the front panel pops up like a mini display. Really cool. Use the exact same scoring measurements as the Z fold card. Okay, so you're going to have a long piece of card and you're going to score it in half and score it in half. But then you're going to turn it portrait ways and you're going to fold each flap forwards. So rather than folding them in a Z fold, you're going to fold them frontwards so that one can stand up and be propped up by something inside the card. So you're going to add a layer to the bottom piece of that front piece, and then add like a little stopper inside. So it could be a label, sentiment that you've added with some foam pads, so that you can just tuck that front piece in behind so it stays propped up. All 3 of these are available here in my channel on YouTube for you to look and learn. And fun folds look fancy, but they're surprisingly easy to create once you know how, and as long as you follow the precise folds and measurements. If you would like full step-by-step instructions for these and many, many, many more types of fold, then come and join me in the Card Making Know-How Academy. I walk you through all the different designs, easy to follow tutorials, measurements, and videos, and there's just lots of different fun folds. We love fun folds inside the membership, and yeah, we have classes on that as well. So sometimes we'll just pick a month and we'll say, let's do some more fun folds this month, and then that whole class that month is on fun folds. So come and join us. If you struggle with these, you do need help sometimes with just the measurements. I know lots of people struggle with measurements and stuff, so I'm more than happy to help you, walk you through. I have everything there in the membership that you'd want. So you can do it. It is possible. The ones that I've shared with you today are really simple ones to get you started, but it can go much higher than that when you get started with fun folds. So come and join us, have fun. This is the link to get to it here at the bottom of my screen, or in the description below, how to join the academy, that is. But you can just search my YouTube channel if you want to see any of the other fun fold designs that I've spoken about here today. Hope you've enjoyed this episode of Crafty Corner. I will see you again soon. Take care for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.